Man, I see a lot of people buying instead of building. Man, they take vision to work on these cars, to build these cars, to put passion behind these cars. I can't buy somebody else's project, man. I gotta build it from the ground up. If I didn't build it, I don't want it. I gotta put my touch on it. You gotta know what you're looking at, even if it don't look like the finished product. You can't see the end goal all the time, but you know where you wanna end up at.
Don't give up on the dream car.
Don't give up.
Push it through, push it far.